Hello everyone and welcome back. We're gonna make a super easy project today. All we're gonna do is use some high tide piggy paste, 25 grams of resin. I microwaved it for about 15 seconds. I'm gonna let some of that drip off. Okay, I think that's a good amount right there. We'll get it in here, mix it up. After I mix this resin, which is Nick Pro resin, I put it in the vacuum chamber for probably 7 minutes. And then I came straight over here. I didn't let it warm up. I didn't let it do anything besides what it did in the vacuum chamber. Scrape that off. Okay, now I'm gonna go get a new stick because I'll keep just wiping that in there if I don't. Scrape your sides really well. Okay, I think we're good. Let's get this around the edge. I'm not doing any color or anything special. Okay. There's my high tide piggy paste in there. I'm just trying to use it up. Now, we'll go in with the resin. We're gonna pour this in. We're gonna go up and over that white. Push it all the way back there. All right, guys, and that's that. That's all we're doing. I'll let that cure. And I'm not gonna turn the curing machine on because I wanna keep an eye on it. I want to try to turn it into a bowl. I'll torch this in a little while. I don't wanna torch it right now because I don't wanna get too close to the edge. But I can get the middle part right here. So I go ahead and do near the edge. Okay, I'm gonna put a lid on it. And I'll torch it in a little while. Okay guys, see you in a little while. Bye. Okay guys, let's turn this into a bowl. It almost flew out of my hand. Oh my God, that's beautiful. Look at that. Now that's gonna be an amazing bowl. Yeah? Isn't that amazing? Almost closes all the way to the middle. There's no point even adding stones because that's sharp looking. That's fantastic. Absolutely love it. That is high tide piggy paste. Very awesome. Make sure I'm kind of even all the way around. Oh my gosh, isn't that awesome? That is radical. Oh, I love it. Okay guys, I'm gonna let this cure and then we'll take it out and look at it. I probably could have got it out just a few minutes ago, but that's totally okay. Okay guys, I will see you when this is cured. Bye. All right guys, it's done. And I think it turned out so beautiful. Really, really nice. What a cool bowl just to put stuff in on your counter. So awesome. But I can tell when I'm looking at the back what it's doing. But it's super cool. Very easy to do. Well, I hope you guys like that bowl. And I hope you try and make the lace effect. High Tide Piggy Paste is amazing. I live in the United States and I was able to find it. I just Googled High Tide Piggy Paste and was able to find it. I don't remember where, or I'd share the link. But awesome, guys. Okay. I hope you have a super extraordinary day, and I will see you guys later.